In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Printify. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for Printify. When the results load, click the official Printify link to head to the site. If you're ever unsure which result is correct, look for the familiar branding and make sure the URL looks official. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can access your products and the design tools. After logging in, navigate to the My Products section. This is where all your existing designs and items live. Find the product you want to update and click Edit Design. This will open the design editor for that specific product and place you right on the canvas. Next, click directly on the design you want to adjust. Selecting the design layer is important because the background removal tools only appear when an image on the canvas is selected. Once you've clicked the image, you'll see the background removal option appear either in the sidebar or along the top toolbar, depending on your screen size and editor layout. Click the Remove Background icon to open the tool. For a fast, automated cleanup, choose Quick Remove. This AI-powered option detects your subject and removes the background in a single pass. Give it a moment to process. You should see the background turn transparent, so your artwork is isolated on the product. If your image has strong contrast between the subject and the background, Quick Remove often gets you most of the way there instantly. If you want to fine-tune the result, you can manually edit specific areas. Click the Erase icon to remove remaining bits of background the AI might have missed, and click directly on the areas you want gone. If you remove too much or want to bring back a detail, switch to the Restore icon and paint those parts back in. Think of Erase as cutting away and Restore as rebuilding. While refining, adjust the brush size slider to match the level of detail you're working on. Use a larger brush for broad, open areas to work quickly, and a smaller brush around edges like hair, text, or intricate shapes for precision. Take your time to trace around the subject cleanly. Smooth edges will make your print look more professional. When everything looks right, click Apply to confirm your changes. This commits the background removal and returns you to the main canvas with your updated, transparent design ready for placement and scaling. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and clean background removal right inside Printify.